Instagram theme pages are platforms where you repost content, giving you the chance to magnetize followers and generate limitless earnings. Now let's be clear, I won't promise you $50 a day, $1,000 a day, or even $10,000 a day. While these earnings are within reach, they hinge on your approach and effort. Your success is rooted in the way you strategically navigate this path. In this video, Mr. Minato will guide you on how to find a profitable niche for your Instagram theme page, create an engaging page, grow your followers, and monetize your page with affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. Choosing the correct niche for your Instagram page is a crucial step toward achieving success. With the right niche in hand, you'll be on your way to creating an Instagram theme page that magnetizes followers. It's true that ChatGPT is a helpful tool, but I wouldn't recommend using it to find niches or ideas. ChatGPT doesn't know the current popular or trending topics. It can't help you find the most searched or least competitive keywords either. That's something you need to do on your own. Even when writing content, you'll need to constantly modify, change, and add information to create valuable and useful content. Here are 4 tips for selecting your niche to steer clear of regrets. 1. Start by thinking about what you love and are good at. This keeps you motivated and helps you create genuine content. 2. Avoid niches that are too competitive or have low demand. Aim for a balanced middle ground where you can stand out and attract followers. 3. Offer value to your followers and stay true to your unique perspective. 4. Choose a niche that can grow over time, avoiding trendy topics that might lose popularity. In 2023, the top Instagram niches include fashion, travel, beauty, food, pets, health and wellness, and business. Use Google Trends to discover what people are searching for in any niche. Compare the results to find the best content to share. Step 2. Create an engaging Instagram theme page. Now the following step is to brand your Instagram theme page. Choose a name that suits your niche, for example. If your theme is about wellness, choose a name that includes wellness-related words or the term itself, like Wellness Hub or Wellness Warriors. To get ideas, look at competitors. Make sure the name aligns with your theme and is easy to recall. Avoid using special characters or numbers. If you're in need of assistance, you can ask ChatGPT for 50 name suggestions related to your niche. GPT will provide you with options to simplify the decision-making process. Once you have a name, set up your page. Before we continue, I'd like to mention that out of the viewers, only 2% are currently subscribed, while the remaining 98% haven't subscribed yet. I've also observed a lack of comments, and I'm curious about the reasons behind this. Could we try to improve this interaction? If you find value in the content, consider subscribing now. Additionally, if you have any specific questions or ideas for future videos, please share them in the comments section below. Now let's carry on. It's time to create your logo. Canva is a great platform for this. It's easy to use and provides pre-made designs to help you design your logo. Starting out, Canva's templates are perfectly fine. As your page gains traction, you could even consider hiring someone from Fiverr to create a more high-quality logo. Once you've settled on your name and logo, it's time to establish your Instagram profile. Add your logo and use the name you've chosen. When it comes to your bio, remember that less is more. Your bio should be concise and interesting to attract followers. Here are 5 essential tips for a strong Instagram bio. 1. Keep it concise. When writing your bio, aim for around 150 characters. This makes it quick and easy for people to grasp what you're about. 2. Use keywords wisely. Include words relevant to your content. These keywords help users discover your profile when they're searching for specific topics. 3. Show your personality. Craft a bio that reflects who you are. Let your personality shine through and make it appealing to potential followers. 4. Add emojis for fun and clarity. Emojis are like visual aids for your text. They add a touch of fun and make your message easier to understand. 5. Include a call to action. Encourage interaction with a call to action in your bio. Guide people to a link or invite them to follow for specialized content. By using our affiliate link here, we can drive traffic and earn commissions, which we'll explain more about in the final step. Your Instagram bio is your initial impression. Ensure it's clear, engaging, and mirrors your content theme. With your niche, logo, name, and bio ready, you're all prepared to start generating and sharing content to grow your post count. Step 3. Grow your Instagram theme page. To cultivate your audience, it's time to dive into posting. The good news? It won't demand much of your day. Just around 10 minutes or even less. Here's what you need to do. Set aside about an hour each week to gather and organize your content for the upcoming week. As you post, you might choose to create around 4 posts daily on Instagram. Remember, you can exceed this number, but I'd recommend not going beyond 7 posts per day. The exciting part comes in finding content, and it's quite straightforward. Spot successful accounts and share their content. If the content is special or includes someone's face, make sure to credit them in your caption. This is an important step. Here's how you can go about it. Pick 5 competitors, explore their profiles, tap on reels or swipe through, and save the best performing content. Aim for reels that consistently gather, let's say 200,000 to 300,000 views. These reels often have a better chance of going viral quickly. By selecting 5 competitors and saving around 30 to 50 pieces of content, it won't take much time, perhaps just 20 to 30 minutes. Now you've got content for about a week. Moreover, concentrate on reels, particularly if your content holds the potential to go viral. You can amass 50,000 followers or more in just a month through viral content. Therefore, it's a wise idea to experiment with numerous reels and meticulously select the appropriate audio to create a significant impact. To publish content effortlessly, You can use a social media scheduler like Later, Hootsuite, or MetaSuite. These tools are affordable and some offer free options. They assist you in planning and presenting your content in an attractive way. Schedule your content for the week. This makes posting a smooth process. As you become more familiar with what works for your channel, this method will become second nature. As your page grows, you can start creating your own content without reposting, and this is made simpler with the advancement of artificial intelligence tools. With just a single click, you can accomplish numerous tasks. Step 4. Monetize your Instagram theme page. If you've reached this point, congratulations. We're about to delve into transforming your Instagram page into a source of passive income through affiliate marketing. There are numerous avenues you can explore to profit from your page, but for simplicity and speed, I've chosen affiliate marketing as the optimal route. The beauty is you don't need prior experience, specific skills, or even a substantial budget. You can jump right into affiliate programs and start promoting. However, it's essential to note that immediate profits aren't guaranteed. Success demands patience and time, as results may not come instantaneously. So how can you proceed? Let's explore 2 methods to uncover affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Method 1. Direct search on Google. Begin by searching for marketing programs within your field. For instance, if your niche is fitness, search for Fitness Affiliate Programs 2023. The search results will yield various programs, each with its conditions and commission percentage. For example, on the first website, 15 Best Fitness Affiliate Programs of 2023, high paying. We go down. This program offers 40% profits, with withdrawal options via PayPal, Wise, or Pioneer. These programs could span books, educational courses, products, nutritional supplements, and more. If the conditions align with your goals, registering is usually straightforward. Input your personal details, obtain your unique affiliate link, and save it for future use. Method 2. Global affiliate platforms. Another approach involves joining reputable global platforms like ClickBank, Impact, and Warrior Plus. These platforms offer a variety of affiliate programs spanning diverse niches. After creating an account, you can explore programs using keywords. To illustrate, if your focus is on fitness, health, or AI, which has become a widespread interest, you can search for these terms within the platform to find relevant programs. However, a challenge arises as these platforms often mandate an online presence, such as a website, YouTube channel, or social media account with followers. If your Instagram page has an engaged following, you might meet these requirements. Otherwise, consider leaning towards Method 1. Upon joining an affiliate program and obtaining your unique affiliate link, start promoting, share the link in your bio, and convey the product's merits to your audience. Describe its features, offer usage tips, or even make product comparisons. This approach effectively encourages viewers to subscribe and purchase the product. In each post, video, or story, make sure you consistently remind your audience about its availability in your bio. Here's another tip. Post the same videos on both TikTok and YouTube. Don't forget to add the links to each platform's bio. This way, your earnings could double up. Monetizing your Instagram theme page through affiliate marketing requires strategic planning, consistent effort, and a patient mindset. By selecting the right programs, promoting them authentically, and engaging your audience, you can gradually transform your passion into a rewarding source of income. Thank you for your time. In the upcoming video, I might be explaining how to create clickable titles and thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on this idea, so please feel free to share your opinion in the comments section below.